First, go to Select, choose Subject. Click on Add Layer Mask, then press Ctrl J, click on Mask and press Delete key. Then select the Vertical Type tool, type your text, press Ctrl T, on text layer right-click, click on Select Pixels, go to Select, Modify, Expand, create a new layer, press Alt and Delete, then press Ctrl D to deselect, drag the layers below the copy layer. On layer, right-click and click on Create Clipping Mask. On main layer, click on Mask and choose Brush. Create a new layer and select your color. Press Alt and Backspace. I hope you enjoyed this video.